Imagine this, it's 2010 and you're holding a crisp $10 bill. Instead of buying lunch or a movie ticket, you decide to invest it in something called Bitcoin, a mysterious digital currency no one really understands yet. Fast forward to today, that $10 could have made you a multimillionaire. But how did this happen? And could you spot the next Bitcoin today? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know the shocking dollar amounts, but also walk away with some golden investing lessons for the future. Welcome to today's video, where we dive into one of the greatest what-ifs in investing history. What if you had invested just $10 in Bitcoin back in 2010? Spoiler alert, you wouldn't be watching this video from your couch. You'd probably be on your private island. But beyond the jaw-dropping numbers, there's a deeper lesson here about spotting once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. Here's what we'll cover today: the fascinating rise of Bitcoin, what made it so valuable, and how you can use the same principles to uncover future investment opportunities. And hey, stick around until the end, because I want to hear how much Bitcoin you currently own or how much you wish you owned. Let's rewind to 2010. Bitcoin was created just a year earlier, and its value? A mere 0.003 cents per coin. Yes, you heard that right. 0.3 of a cent. For $10, you could have bought over 3,000 Bitcoin. At the time, most people dismissed it as a fringe tech experiment. After all, who would trust money you couldn't even hold in your hands? But for a few brave believers, this was a chance to rewrite financial history. Quick question: if someone offered you Bitcoin in 2010, would you have said yes, or would you have laughed it off? Drop your answer in the comments. Fast forward to today. Bitcoin's value has skyrocketed to over $30,000 per coin at its peak. That $10 investment in 2010. It would now be worth a jaw-dropping $90 million. That's right, $90 million. So how did we go from pocket change to life-changing wealth? It all comes down to Bitcoin's unique properties: limited supply, rising demand, and global adoption. Think about this. If Bitcoin could go from 0.3 of a cent to $30,000, what's stopping the next big thing from doing the same? What do you think the next Bitcoin could be? Bitcoin's meteoric rise wasn't random. It was fueled by three major factors. First, the revolutionary technology of blockchain. Second, its capped supply of 21 million coins. And third, major events like PayPal and Tesla accepting Bitcoin. These moments created a snowball effect, making Bitcoin a household name. So, what's the takeaway here? Timing is everything, but so is recognizing potential. Whether it's Bitcoin AI or renewable energy, the key is to invest in what others overlook today but will need tomorrow. Remember, even the biggest investments often start small, just like that $10 Bitcoin purchase. Here's a thought experiment. If you had $10 to invest in the next big thing today, what would it be? Let us know in the comments. To wrap things up, Bitcoin's journey from 0.003 cents to over $30,000 is a testament to the power of early adoption. It shows us that sometimes the riskiest bets have the greatest rewards. If you're inspired by this story, don't just stop at dreaming. Start planning your own investing journey today. And remember, the next Bitcoin might already be here, you just have to find it. So, what's your Bitcoin story? Let us know in the comments how much Bitcoin you own or wish to own in the future. If you've made it this far, congratulations, you're already ahead of the curve when it comes to thinking like a millionaire. Don't miss out on more fascinating what-if scenarios and life-changing investment insights. Hit that subscribe button and join us here at Millionaire Hypotheticals for more content that just might inspire your next big move. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.